The result from multiplying a scalar times a matrix is a matrix of the same size with every element multiplied by the scalar. For example, consider this matrix A and the scalar 5. 5 times the matrix A, denoted as 5A, is a scalar times a matrix. The result of 5A is every element of A multiplied by 5. So the leftmost column of 5A will be the leftmost column of matrix A, which is 1, negative 1, 2, times 5. So 1 times 5 is 5, negative 1 times 5 is negative 5, and 2 times 5 is 10. The leftmost column of 5A is 5, negative 5, and 10. Similarly, our middle column of 5A is 5 times our middle column of A, which would give us 0, 15, and 25. Our rightmost column of 5A will be our rightmost column of A multiplied by 5, which would be 10, 15, and 20. Ultimately, anytime you multiply a matrix by a scalar number, the result is the original matrix with each element multiplied by the scalar. I'm Joe, and thanks for spending some time with me.